Well, thanks for clicking on to the very first tropical outlook of 2018. It's June 1st. It is the first official day of the Atlantic Basin hurricane season, and just want to have a quick look today at the sea surface temperature anomalies here real quick. And there's a couple of things that really do stand out with regards to water temperatures. We are looking at a very significant amount of warm water over the middle portion of the North Atlantic here, so stretching from the mid-Atlantic and the northeast of the United States out into the central Atlantic. Cool to the north, cool to the south, and what's very significant is, of course, we've got the cool water in the main development region. Now, if you checked out the post, it was it was actually written by the Weather Channel, but I wanted to share it last night. With regards to potentially average to slightly below average hurricane numbers this year, but the problem is that with that warm water to the north, we need to watch out for the potential for hurricanes, tropical systems further north this year instead of it being down and coming off Africa. The problem also that you've got is that these are the water temperatures as of the 1st of June. We could go through the month of July and into August, and all of a sudden this anomaly is actually not there, or it's not as strong. And of course, once it comes to the early portion of August, water temperatures could be below normal, but in fact they're still conducive for hurricane production as well. So a couple of conflicting factors in all this, but to me there is a distinct increase in easterly winds and dry air coming off Africa, hence why we've got the coldest waters in the main development region since 1994. But I do think that we need to watch very carefully with regards to the United States. We've got warm water over the central and western Gulf of Mexico. We've got warm water off the east coast, particularly up into the northeast. So therefore, while we have cool water in the heart of the tropical Atlantic, where of course you would typically look at for hurricanes to develop, not necessarily are you going to get that. And no two hurricane seasons are the same. No two same patterns produce the same outcome weather-wise. So there's a lot of different conflictions here. Certainly, if you want my opinion, I think we are going to see less numbers in the heart of the tropical Atlantic. But what we could find is systems that lift further north into anomalously warm water and develop into hurricanes, or at least strong tropical storms. The northeast may be a place to watch this year, as well as the western Gulf. So Mexico and Texas, as well as across New Orleans, could have issues with regards to the tropical Atlantic this year here. So just a few thoughts on this Friday evening. Do check out the post from last night, which looks at some hurricane forecasts, and I'll have more in the hurricane season coming up in the next several days. Hope you have a great day, and I'll enjoy your weekend as well. Bye for now.